Come on, man.
Well, 9th or 10th. Yeah, good evening, good evening.
Bench, bench.
Yeah, good evening. Hello, this where is your friend? What is going on? What is the plan? Abni is waiting. How are you? What is your name? Yeah, sit down, sit down. Good evening. Yeah. When is school exam starting?
Sir, day after tomorrow.
You also there. This. Yeah, all of you listen.
The next week is a match.
Ruti. All of you listen. I think coming Tuesday onwards, this coming week onwards, you have holidays, no?
Yes.
You see, there is no class. I just wanted to tell you something. This exam important for you. 2 reasons. First and most important reason. You know what is the most important reason? From this on now, these are the 2-3 months time. Within 2-3 months time, the teachers has to give the internals and submit the internal mark to the board. So internals are decided upon what? Performance. This is not just assignment submissions and all submissions. Depends upon your performance. Mainly performance means test paper marks. They, even if your first term, if it is not done, first term is not done proper, if the teacher sees your mark is improved, considerations will be there. So please seriously appear the exams, study well and appear. Okay, that is one of the things. Now, the second thing is, you are almost more than 50 to 60% of the syllabus is over, and we are after long time you are come. What happened? You are okay now? All fine now? Yeah. So after a long time you are doing long. See, listen. This 60% syllabus, you had a long gap, right from April or March to October. The remaining 40%, where is your gap? 1 month, 2 months. By December, that means you will not get a time to see these all topics. You will get only the remaining topics to complete. By the end of December, you should complete everything properly. So study these all chapters properly so that later it should not be I have to revise these chapters also. It's not possible for any child. So remember, by end of this exam, whatever is completed, you have to properly do it. Later, you have to little revision work only you can do, not for study work. Because remaining all chapters quite a lot. Even we are done. So like we are done surface area volume. I know majority is not done properly because it is not coming for the examination point of view. Now when you and the surface area volume chapter is not that too easy, you know it. And when you start, it's difficulty start. If these are difficult chapters, and again circle is coming, that also is not an easy chapter. Geometry, tangent to the circle related. These are difficult chapters you have to study. Plus, imagine if there is a backlog of previous chapter there means it's really going to get a trouble. So that is why, please, these days, don't think okay now we have Naomi is there, Dashra is there, all these celebrations are there. Celebrations will go on, but decide and study, complete the topics, and appear the exams. Not that okay, UT is not there, so free time. Not that. Utilize the time properly and do it. Okay, so it's almost most of you have. I think at least when till end of the month. This almost this month. So that means almost a month you have this one. So even those who are exams starting late now itself do it. Those whose exams get over doesn't mean that UT is not there, not need to study. Sit and study the remaining chapters and all. Okay, let's start with the chapter. Any doubts or difficulties anyone have? No. And again, listen, one more thing. If it is while revising the topics, if you come across doubts or difficulties, lots of doubts and difficulties, try to inform us so that we will arrange the extra things or something. Okay. Topics and all, it may not be possible, but questions are there, a set of questions are there, you need a solutions and all, so let us know so that we will help you. Okay, so conversion we are done. This one, sphere is done now. Yes. Good. I think you are completed now. Sphere. Dot exercise is done now. Yes, sir. Okay. Now, next getting right, conversion of solids. Conversion of solids. Written. Right. It's a comparatively late. Right. Conversion of solids is written. Right. When a solid is changed its shape, when a solid is changed its shape, What? When a solid is changed its shape, how will you change the shape? Maybe melting and recasting. Then what will remain same? Volume remains same. When a solid changes its shape, its volume remains the same. But all of you, I need to basically this only I need to make to write with you people. There is nothing. But while doing the sums, 2-3 cases. What happened? Yeah. Now, 2-3 things keep in mind. First and foremost thing is read the question properly. Most of the cases you will see equal volumes. When it is equal volumes, don't need to calculate till the end. Means value pi never substitute. Pi most of the cases automatically it will be cancelled. So no need to simplify. If the volume of the cylinder pi r square h, just substitute the value of r and h and that much only. No need of multiplication also. Automatically a lot of terms will be cancelled. Simple calculations okay do no problem, but complicated one never do. Don't ever make you decimals and all. Okay. Now equate, simplify, cancellation. Sorry, calculations are you need it at last. At the final stage only you have to do it. Second thing, number means suppose a sphere is melted and recast into small cylinders. How many cylinders? Equal cylinders means number of cylinders is equal to volume of the big quantity divided by volume of one small quantity. Means sphere is changed into cylinder means number of cylinders formed is volume of the sphere divided by volume of one cylinder, because they all cylinders are equal in volume. If it is not there means accordingly. Now another type I think we are already done. Like 2-3 spheres are melted and made into a big sphere. Then volume of the big sphere formed is equal to sum of the volumes of these spheres. There also don't calculate any value, automatically your 4/3 pi will be cancelled. At this stage today I am not asking any formula. Okay, because this chapter is there for anyone's exam. You have exam. Then I should ask you people now. All of you learned the formula? First 3 exercises are there.
No, sir, not for us.
Actually, you have complete now?
Sir, only first 3 exercises.
Achha, for this exam. First 3 exercises done. So, Smith, that means every formula you should know it. All of you know all the formula. Okay. You know now? Good evening. Please stand up and tell any 3 formula yourself. Any 3 formula. What is pi RH? What? There is no formula pi RH in this entire chapter. Pi R L. What is it? No, I don't need anyone to tell you. Surface area. You know the surface area and base area is there. Short surface area. Short surface area. Sit down. So wasted my 2 minutes only. No, okay. Okay, take out the exercise 20.4. Okay. Read the first question.
The volume of a cone is same as that of cylinder whose height is 9 cm, diameter 40 cm. Find the radius of the base of the cone which height is 108 cm.
Hey, Shruti, don't sit and talk. Mask does not mean mask is there means I can sit and talk. Okay. Yeah. What 2 things are given? Volume of cone and volume of the cylinder are equal is given. What 2 dimensions are given? Cylinder or cone dimensions are given?
Cylinder.
So right. For the cylinder. For the cylinder. Height is equal to how much?
Height 9 cm.
9 centimeter. Radius.
Sir, 20 centimeters diameter.
Okay, 40/2. 20 centimeter. And for volume, pi r square h. That is equal to pi into 20 square into 9 centimeter cube. That much is enough. If you want one more pi, don't substitute. Okay, this much is enough. Then, for the cone,
Height is 108.
height is equal to
108 centimeters.
units are same now.
Yes,
R we don't know. So V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. R square times 108. If you want, you can cancel this one. 36. Who's talking there? Huh? I mean, both Gwani and Avi both are talking. Both of you will interchange the places. So, this was written, then after that, right? Volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Replace 5 times 20 into 20 into 9 is equal to 36 pi r square. Pi is automatically cancel always. R square is equal to 20 into 20 into 9 upon 36. You can cancel pi's are r is equal to root of 100. 10. So what is the question asked? So write the answer. Unit is important. You must write radius of the cone is equal to 10 centimeter. Avni. Okay. Well, Nidhi. The second. AC should be on off. Just now only someone switched off. Then why it is switched off? Abhi, switch on AC, no internet on. Write the final answer. Radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Unit right. Yeah. Second question, Sriraj.
The diameter of a sphere is 6 centimeter. It is melted and drawn into a wire of diameter 0.2 centimeter. Find the length of the wire.
Yeah. So you cannot hang the. So the sphere is made into a wire. So what is the shape of the wire? Cylinder. So that means volume of the sphere will be equal to. Please don't look at the formula and write. So first is for the sphere. Diameter is 6 centimeter radius. Therefore, radius is equal to 6 by 2, 3 centimeter. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi into 3 cube. You can cancel 3 square, 36 pi centimeter cube. So, I think I had to relocate your square places. For the wire, that is cylinder, what is it? What all is given? Diameter is given. Diameter is equal to how much? 0.2 centimeter. Therefore, radius equal to 0.1, which is same as 1 by 10 centimeter. What is the meaning of length? Length means height. So volume is equal to pi r square h. That is equal to pi h upon 100 centimeter cube. Will write volume of sphere is equal to volume of wire. Replace and calculate. 36 pi is equal to pi h upon 100. All simplifications, direct answers you will get. So h 5 pi cancel, h is equal to how much? 3600 centimeter, which is same as 3.6. What is the 3.6? What?
36 meters.
Divide by 100. Length of the length of the wire is equal to 36 meter. If you don't know conversion, you ask it. Okay. 36 meter. Written all of you. Completed. Deva, what is happening? Why you are not coming for the classes? No. Fine. End of the lecture. Tell the reason. Okay. Next. What happened to you? You are okay. You're feeling cold. So go and shift the place. One need AC, one doesn't need AC. All right, next question. Read the question, Vani.
A metallic disc in the shape of a right circular cylinder is of height 2.5 mm and base radius 12 centimeter. Metallic disc is bended and made into a sphere. Calculate the radius of sphere.
So, what is the disc is of the shape of cylinder and made into a sphere. So, what remains the same? Volume. One more thing you have to notice. Have you noticed?
Conversion.
Yes, units are different. Okay, so for the cylinder, what is given?
Height is equal to 2.5 mm.
So, height is equal to 2.5 mm. Either you convert everything into millimeter or everything into centimeter. So, I'll write keep in 5 by 2 mm. Okay, and radius is equal to how much?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter, which is equal to how much? 120 mm. You can convert everything into this one, centimeter, no problem. Then, so volume is equal to pi r square h. Pi into 120 square into 5 by 2. Millimeter cube. And for the sphere, nothing is given, write directly volume. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cylinder is equal to volume of the sphere. Four upon 3 pi r cube is equal to pi times 120 square into 5 by 2. You have to find out the radius first. Radius only I think you have to find out. Diameter already got out. Got the answer instead of discussion? Do it yourself. Carefully cancel and simplify. Shruti got the answer? You are solving in whose book? Sustain? No. Later don't change. You? Which question? Who's holding it? is it only? This is in how many days you are forgetting?
I will do 1 week.
Next day you come. First you clean your So R cube is equal to pi is cancelled. 120 multiplied by 120 into pi by 2 into 3 by 4.
45.
45.
1.5 है.
Huh?
30 30 आ रहा है.
What 40? 45.
Sorry, आज is 30 है.
15 into 15 into 8.
So 27,000.
Why you have to multiply? Radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Understood? 115, 5 3s are 15, 120 is 15 into 8. So cube root you have to find out. So 3 times. Try to do the grouping, that will be better always. Shruti, if this thing has to be done on the board, then only you will start doing. Yeah. Abhi, I will teach you. Let me give me a chance also to teach you. Oh. You wanted to come, I'll give it a chance. Raj, following. Yeah. Next question says,
A hollow sphere of internal and external diameters 4 cm and 8 cm respectively is melted into a cone of base diameter 8 cm. Find the height of the cone.
So what is remain same?
Volume of sphere, internal and external.
Volume of the hollow sphere is equal to volume of the cone. No. So for the hollow sphere, what all is given?
Internal and external diameters.
So what is capital R? What is the external diameter?
Sorry, 8.
Therefore 8 by 2, 4 centimeter. Centimeter only no. Smaller. 4 is 4. How 4? 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. Therefore volume formula you know no?
So
4 by 3 pi R cube minus R cube.
So why do you divide it by 2? It's radius.
Who switched off the AC? What? Your memory 5 minutes you change the color out. One side you are dictating, you do this one. Now, hello, you talk for you, not for her. She will look after her problems. And it was off, you only said switch it on.
So got it.
Diameter given now 4 by 3 pi. 4 cube minus 2 cube. 64 minus 8. 4 by 3 pi into 56 centimeter cube. Hope all of you got it here. Then for the cone, no? Yes. What all things is given? Radius equal to 8, no, 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay, and height you have to find out, no? Volume is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi into 4 square QH centimeter cube is h. Equate and get the value. But below right, volume of hollow sphere is equal to while. Shruti, stand up.
Sir, they were talking more.
Who is talking? Shrey, stand up.
She's keeping the book on my back, that's why I was asking.
You move, you stand up now. To this side. Huh? Today is your birthday.
Yes.
Oh, happy birthday to you.
Thank you, sir.
Chocolates are not good.
Chocolate will be actually.
Sit over here. You sit over there. No problem. So, you also know our topic? Love you. Do your work. At least one day you can spare it. Every day you have to put something else on. Because of you only he is being put to down. Yeah. When you get the value,
15 centimeter.
all of you got, how many of you got the answer? Five and 3 is automatically cancelled, therefore 4 into 56 divided by 4 into 4. Height is equal to 14 centimeters. These all questions are direct and simple ones only. Sometimes some percentage type of questions will come. It's a little wrong. Complete all of you. Srishti, read the next question.
The volumes of a sphere and a right circular cylinder are equal and the diameter of the sphere equals the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Determine the height of the cylinder in terms of the diameter of the cylinder.
So, volume of which and which are equal?
Sphere and
Cylinder are equal. Next condition, what is given? Diameter of the sphere is equal to diameter of the cylinder. So, right, diameter of the cylinder is equal to diameter of the whatever, both are cylinder is equal to one diameter of the sphere. Therefore, radius of cylinder is equal to radius of sphere, let's say, which is equal to r. Then volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. Therefore, pi r square h is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube. H is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube upon pi r square. Cancel, h is equal to 4 upon 3 r. Is it or not? Pi cancel, r square is cancelled. Median in terms of, height in terms of diameter. So how do you make diameter? This can be written as what? 2 by 3 times 2r, no? Therefore, height is equal to 2 by 3. Height of what? Cylinder is equal to? Answer right. Height of cylinder is equal to 2 by 3 times diameter of sphere. Because radius means 4 by 3 times the radius. Radius, first it is given, diameters are equal. What is the time now?
Sir, 8 by 7 5, sorry, 7 5.
What happened? Achha, football then throwing also. And how many goals he scored? How many goals other team? He will come the completed. This much is clear. We need an answer in diameter. If you want, you write R is equal to D by 2. Cancel. 4 by 3 can put as 2 into 2 na. So 2R is diameter no. If you are not followed, you can write this way also. Is equal to 4 by 3 into D upon 2. Radius is diameter no. So that is 2 by 3 times diameter. Okay, any which way, either this way or the other way. Just convenient. I wrote 2 into 2. This is 2R in diameter. Okay, done. Now Ritu is not there, no? It takes time though. Yeah, that is done. Which is the question we are done?
Yes.
Fourth done or fifth done? Fifth done. Now, which is the question now? Sixth is what? Increase, cross section increase, decrease now. Listen, that I will do before that. What's the time now?
7:05.
Okay, all of you do the seventh question. All of you will do yourself. I will read the question. One of you, Sriraj, read the question.
The radii of the internal
Radii.
and external surfaces of metallic spherical shell are 3 cm and 5 cm respectively. It is melted and recast into a solid right circular cylinder of height 32 cm. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder.
So, similar question, same question we are done. So, what is equal? Volume of the
Sphere is equal
volume of the
sphere.
volume of the hollow sphere, hemisphere. Hollow sphere no is equal spherical shell. Otherwise it spherical shell no, that is same as hollow sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. All of you do it. All values are given. If you want capital R for the spherical shell, capital R is equal to, right, for the spherical shell or hollow sphere, capital R is equal to 5 centimeter, small r is equal to 3 centimeter. Then volume is equal to formula apply 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Simplify. Then for the cylinder, I think height is given. And after that, equate. This all you have to do yourself. Everywhere, Ritu has to tell something. Then only work gets out now. Shruti is completed now. Then, yeah. When I look over there, question, discussions are going, Equate and get the value of radius. I need everyone has to do it. Yeah. Whatever is written on the body, that will be there on the yeah. Who got the answer? Srishti, what is your answer? Srishti, what is your answer?
7 by 206.
Huh? Repeat. Repeat.
7 by 201 by
7 by 2 times. Hello. She will tell now, don't worry. Okay. So pi is cancelled. Therefore, r square is equal to 4 into 98. Two or three is coming. Why is
Sir, 49.
two or it is coming inside the room? Three is coming.
Sir, 2 root 3 are na?
7 by 2.
7 by 2 root 2.
R is equal to root of 49 by 3 times 4 into 3 into 3. 7 by 6 root 3. Those you must have got 7 upon 2 root 3.
Yes, sir.
Rationalize. This is the radius. What is the question being asked? What do you have to find out?
Find the diameter.
So therefore diameter. That will multiply and divide or what? You can get the answer.
The answer given behind is 7.
Actually, it should be.
Who is that? Who is that actually it should be? Tell us.
I guess printing mistake is there. It should be cone instead of cylinder, I guess. Such very simple.
Get the answer now. There is no need to check in the text. Method is important. So in the examination, if it is coming in now, there is a practice. So we will change it. Let's change it. Multiply 1. Did you get the? Shesa only, no? Multiplication done.
12.124.
12.124 divided by 3. 4.04. 1. That is so 4.04 centimeter. Rukshita, are you doing the sum? Sitting the front bench means no. Or doing Yeah. Completed. 4.04. Yes. One more is there now. After that, let's do the eighth one.
The
after that.
hemispherical bowl of internal radius 9 centimeter is full of liquid. This liquid is to be filled into the cylindrical shaped small bottles, each of diameter 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. How many bottles are necessary to empty the bottle?
So she is talking.
Yes, sir, yes. Then I asked for time. And she was
Okay.
so then.
Ritu, you know, if I change the place, you will be quiet. I know the best place to keep you. Then you will be permanently until the end of the lecture. You will be quiet. I know it. So you wanted to come and sit there with someone. That is why you are doing all these, isn't it? Somebody do now. I wanted to. So sir will punish me. So I want to go and sit there. Maybe that's the reason you are doing all these. Tell no, you from beginning itself we can sit there. So do this one. So there is a hemispherical ball contains liquid. So how will you calculate? Number of bottles is equal to
Volume of hemisphere upon
volume of each
volume of hemisphere upon
volume cylinder upon. The bigger one is what? Bigger one is what? Hemisphere now. It is transferred into cylinder, no? So volume of the hemisphere upon volume of each cylinder. So right, for the hemisphere, radius is equal to how much? 9 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. That is 2 by 3 pi into 9 cube centimeter cube. Then, for each cylinder, radius is how much?
4 centimeter. No, diameter is 3 centimeter. And height is 4.
Diameter is 3 centimeter.
Yes.
Therefore, 3 by 2. Height is equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, volume is equal to pi r square h. That is pi into 3 by 2 whole square into 4. That makes centimeter cube. Now, number of bottles. Vishal, are you following? Is equal to volume of the hemisphere divided by volume of each cylinder. Number of bottles is equal to volume of hemisphere divided by volume of one cylinder. 2 by 3 pi into 9 into 9 into 9 divided by pi into 3, 2 will come up into 3, 2 will come up into 4. Fraction put it properly, all most of the terms will be cancelled, remaining multiplied. Got it? 2 into 9 into 3, 9 6 are 54. Completed. Yeah. Maureen, read the question which we have done. Not done.
Sir. If the diameter of a cross section of a wire is decreased by 20%, how much percent will be the length be increased so that the volume remains the same?
So followed, what is to be done? So diameter is decreased or increased? Decreased by 20%, but the volume should be same. So that means you have to increase the height. So that how much percentage of increase in height you have to do it. So when the diameter is decreased by 20%, radius should be decreased by. If the diameter is decreased by 20%, radius will be decreased by how much? Once at 40, once at 20, once at 10. So we will tweak a lot. Majority will change. Yeah, another one is probability. Yeah. Radius also same 20%. Radius also same 20%. If you want to hear this one, like for example, if the diameter is 100, if this 20% reduce, it will come as how much? 80. Diameter 100 means radius is how much? 50. And 80 become 40. What is the percentage of change? 20%, no? Yes or no? Okay. We that you have a permanent shield. Yeah. So, right. Since that's the first step you write. Since the diameter is that concept is clear. Since the diameter is decreased by 20%. Since the diameter is decreased by 20%, its radius also is decreased by 20%. Radius also is decreased by 20%. Now, right, let small r and small h, let r and h, small letters r and h, are the radius and height. Radius and height. Therefore, original volume is equal to pi r square h, cylinder. Okay. Next, new radius is equal to capital R. How will you get capital R? R minus 20% means 20R by 100. That is equal to cancel and what will you get? Or 80R by 100. How much? 4 upon 5R. Yes or no? Cancel 0, 0 and 4 by 5R. Let new height is equal to capital H. New volume is equal to pi capital R square H. That is equal to pi 4 by 5 R whole square into H. That is equal to 4 square 16 upon 25 pi R square H. Units are given or cubic units, okay, right. Now what is the next condition is given? Both are equal volume now. So, right, new volume is equal to original volume. Therefore, 16 upon 25 pi r square, capital H, is equal to pi r square, small h. What you can cancel? Pi r square. Therefore, capital H is equal to 25 h upon 16. That is the new height. Now, what is the question being asked? Their answer has to be sometimes, what is how many times the height? that is 25 by 16 times the original height. That is not the case question asked. What is the question asked?
How much percent will the length be?
So increase in height. How will you find out the increase? We are done the same. Difference upon increase. Difference upon original into 100 means therefore percentage of increase once we are done with this chapter. Difference means h minus small h upon original is small h into 100%. Can you calculate and get the answer? H replace. It's not difficult.
Sir, got it.
Do yours, you got to answer it. Yours. I didn't see this man. How are you? She got the answer. And you? $25 for you. So, Ritu, you're waiting me to complete, no? 25 man. Even end of the lecture also you not complete. $56 1 by 4. So increase in percentage is how much? 56.25. Volume has to be make equal now. Not that same. The one is square, one is less. Done? Right, question. Right, a pizza of radius or diameter. Pizza of diameter. Pizza of rectangle. Of diameter 7 centimeter and thickness okay 3 centimeter.
Thickness 3 centimeters.
Okay. Okay. The shopkeeper wanted to increase its diameter to its double. Increase its diameter, it's to double with the same thickness. What is the percentage of increase in its volume? Units was not necessary to be given, still I given. Means values was not given necessarily. What is the shape? Cylindrical. So original things you write. Original radius is equal to how much? 7 by 2. No. And height is equal to 3 centimeter. Original volume by r square h. Not necessary. Keep the value in terms of pi is enough. Okay. But percentage of an increase you have to find out, no? So therefore, what will you get? Pi into 7 by into 3. 147. 49 to 3. 147 by 4, no? 5 centimeter. That's the volume. Keep the pi will be cancelled because it is coming increase in volume. Then new radius. How much? Double now. New radius equal to 7 and height 3. Therefore new volume. New volume pi r square h. How much? 49 into 3. 147 pi. Okay, means 4 times, no?
Yes.
So, percentage of increase. Difference by original. Difference by original to 100%. What the answer? Difference means how much?
147
147
by 4.
by minus 147 by 4 by divided by original is what? 147 by 4 by 200. 147 pi if you want to take common 1 minus 1 by 4. Three by 4 upon 1 by 4. Got the answer? How many percentage?
300.
300 percentage. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
When radius is doubled, volume become triple. Color the medium pizza and large pizza different in volume. Is it 2 medium pizza is equal to 1 large pizza?
Bye, sir.
Take care, sir. Bye. Yes, sir. Dumb कर रहे हैं. जनरल सबसे
अरे वाह तो यहाँ पे क्या करूँ मैं Yes.